Nose away, oh. Don't you? I've got to catch you here at the pass. No. You don't want to stuck on the bin. Come on then. Let's see. Hold on. Hang on, we've got to do your bladder. Wait a minute. Yeah. Again. Unclip. Unclip. Hold it there. Push it away. And there you go. I'll just take that off. I'll get this off in the house. Come on then. Let's have a go. Oh. Hopefully she will. Now you come up. Up. Oh yeah, there you go. You squeeze lightly. Push down. There she is. Oh, it's a good one. That'll get rid of some, won't it? That's it. Don't overdo it. That was a good one. Alright, in you go then. Yes, what a success. Yeah. Right. I hope that was fruitful for you. Some good tips. Learned a bit. She wants to go in because she looks like she's a little bit cold now. So don't forget, smash the subscribe button, share, like, and join us in the next one. Thanks for viewing.